In this class, we'll learn how to cut and trim clips in DaVinci Resolve 20. Cutting and trimming are the most important skills in video editing because almost every video you see online is created by removing unwanted parts and keeping only the best moments. After importing your media and creating a timeline, your video clips will appear on the timeline area. This is where editing actually happens. Before cutting anything, you need to understand one important thing called the playhead. The playhead is the vertical line you see on the timeline. It shows your current position in the video. Wherever the playhead is placed is where your cut will happen. To start cutting, first play your video using the spacebar. Watch your footage carefully and find mistakes, pauses, or unnecessary sections you want to remove. Once you find a point where you want to cut, move the playhead exactly to that position. Now press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly cuts the clip into two parts. This is the easiest and fastest way beginners should use. After cutting, click on the unwanted portion and press Delete to remove it. You can also use the blade tool manually. Press B on your keyboard to activate the blade tool, then click anywhere on the clip to create a cut. After finishing, press A to return to the selection tool so you can move clips normally. Most editors switch between A and B while editing. Now let's understand trimming. Cutting splits clips, but trimming adjusts the length of a clip. Move your mouse to the beginning or end of any clip until the resize icon appears. Then click and drag inward to shorten the clip or outward to reveal more footage if available. Trimming helps remove unwanted starting or ending portions without creating extra cuts. Sometimes when you delete a section, an empty gap appears in the timeline. Beginners usually drag clips manually to fill this gap, but there's a faster way. Select the unwanted clip and press Shift+Delete. This performs a ripple delete, which removes the clip and automatically closes the gap. Another useful beginner shortcut is timeline zoom. Use Alt plus mouse wheel to zoom in or out of the timeline. Zooming in helps you make accurate cuts, especially when editing dialogue or removing small mistakes. You can move frame by frame using the left and right arrow keys. This allows precise cutting when exact timing matters. One important beginner tip is to always watch your video after making cuts. Good editing should feel smooth and natural. Avoid cutting too aggressively because small pauses sometimes make videos feel more realistic. Professional editors mainly focus on clean cuts before adding effects or transitions. If your cuts are good, your video already looks professional even without extra effects. In this class, you learned how to cut clips, trim footage, remove unwanted sections, and use essential shortcuts to edit faster. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to add transitions between clips to make scene changes smooth and professional.